Hello, friends. I'm so happy to see you and super excited about our lesson today. Today, we're going to have a fun lesson all about shapes. Specifically, we're going to explore three shapes: a circle, square, and triangles. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify these shapes, sort them, and even create your own shape collage. Are you ready?
Yes.
Awesome. We will be looking at the properties of each shape and figuring out which makes them unique. Let's start by talking about the shapes we will focus on today. So first, let's get to know the shapes we're working with. We're going to focus on three shapes today: circles, squares, and triangles. So let's start with the circle. Who can tell me what a circle looks like?
A circle I think, is this. Is this one?
Yes, that is a circle. A circle is round, just like you showed me, and it has no corners or sides. So it's kind of like, if we think about it in real life, it's kind of like a pizza. A pizza is nice and round. A good way to remember a circle is that it's smooth, round, and no angles.
I know, I know.
Yes,
Look like a donut.
absolutely. That's a perfect answer. Perfect. So now let's move on to the square. Who knows what a square looks like?
A square. Can you help me?
Absolutely. So a square has four equal sides, which means all the sides are the same. And it has four corners. Okay. So let's think about maybe a box. A box is a square.
Yes, I have it home. I have a box in home.
Yes, exactly. So this is a square. See how all of the sides
Ooh,
are the same? And there's one, two, three, four corners.
I like
Okay?
you.
Yeah. Now, last one is a triangle. So a triangle has how many sides? Let's count them together. One,
One,
two,
two,
three.
three.
And how many corners? Let's see. One,
One,
two,
two,
three.
three.
Right? Okay. So what are some things that are the shape of a triangle?
I think it's look like a pyramid.
Yes, exactly. A pyramid, pizza, maybe a roof of a house when you
Yes,
draw it. Yes.
my house
Great.
has this.
Yes, exactly. That's exactly what it is. Okay. So now that we know what a circle, a square, and a triangle look like, we're going to go on a shape scavenger hunt around the room. So you're going to look around and find objects in the room that match these shapes. So, circle, look around your room. Let's see. Are there any things that look like a
Yes, I
circle?
think I see something. I'm gonna get it now. I found this.
Perfect.
It's a cap.
That is the perfect circle right there.
Yay,
Awesome.
I got it.
And what about square? Is there anything that you see in your house that looks like a square?
Yes, I can find a square now. Found it. I found it. I found
Book.
it. Yes.
That's awesome. I love your examples.
Yay.
And last one, you could just say it. You don't have to go get it. Anything.
I think it's my favorite pizza.
Yes, pizza. Mine too. Delicious.
Yeah.
Okay. So we did a great job on our little scavenger hunt. Okay. So that was an awesome job. Now let's practice following some instructions using our shapes. Okay? I'm going to give you two-step directions that I want you to follow very carefully. You need to sort some shapes, which I have right here for you. I have some triangles, some squares, and some circles here. So I'm going to pick up a circle, okay? Now we're going to sort by color. Does this look the same?
No,
What colors do you see?
I see a red.
Red and,
I see the pink.
okay. Now, do these match?
Yes, they look the
Yes.
same.
Right, they're both pink. So we're going to put them in our pink circle pile. Now let's take a look at triangles, okay? This
Yes.
time we're going to sort by the shape of it, okay? So in this pile, does this look like a triangle? So
No,
we wouldn't put that together, right? No, we wouldn't put that together. What about this?
no.
What about this?
Yes,
Why would we put them together?
because they all same. It
They
has three corners.
Yes, exactly. That was great. I'm so proud of you. Okay. So, for our last activity, we're going to create a shape collage. Okay. So,
Yay.
now it's time for some creative fun. You're going to create your own shape collage using the shapes we've learned about today. So, I have some colorful paper and pre-cut shapes for you to use all over here. And we're going to make a picture or a pattern or whatever you like because it's your art. Okay.
Okay.
So we're going to take our paper, we're going to take a shape, each one, and we're going to take our glue, right? We're going to take our glue and we're going to make a collage. I, I
Okay.
think I know what I'm going to make.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Okay.
Making mines. I'm gonna make mommy.
House.
Yes,
Okay.
see the house.
I made a house. All right.
I'm making mines.
Okay. I cannot wait to see it. And remember, try and use all of the shapes we learned today.
I tried
Okay?
like I tried like you. Which is like
Perfect. Beautiful. I love it.
yay,
You did a wonderful job. So excellent work.
yay.
Now that we've learned how to identify our shapes, we sort them by their properties, right? Or what they look like. That's what properties are, what they look like. So this one has three sides and three corners. A square has four of the same sides and four corners, and circles, which
Yes.
are round. Do they have corners?
No,
No
it's
way.
round and round and round.
Yes, perfect. Well, that was a great lesson today, and thank you. Bye,
Thank
friends.
you.